Welcome back to Bo's Mopar Garage. Hey guys and girls, I gotta mention the girls because that's 3% of our audience now. We dropped, I think we got 35 videos up to date. We're gonna get on a more consistent schedule. We're gonna try Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So please subscribe, share, helps build the channel, and ring the bell. It's time for the weather. People have been requesting it. It's sunny outside. It's about 10:30. And it's 80 degrees with about 90% humidity. Thanks for checking in. Please subscribe. We appreciate all you guys. We're going to install this rear valance on this Challenger here. So this it's an aftermarket valance, and 70 is unique on its own because it takes those brackets that are in the back of the rear cross member there. And the valances that you buy have this bracket welded to the metal, which is correct for 71 to 74. So I'm going to locate the valance on the car and put some holes in it to mount those brackets. And then we're going to take this guy here off. So let's get to it. I'm going to put these clips on the valance so we can bolt it on. These are just U-nuts. That's what they call them, U-nuts. And one more. So I've had this on here once already when I put the quarter panels on. And we're going to locate it with this one sheet metal screw in the middle. All right, that looks pretty good. All right, now I got to eyeball them here. All right, so now we gotta drill holes in the valance here for the mounting brackets. All right. Look at that. Looks good to me. Looks good from the back. Sides look good. All right, so we'll take it back off there and take this bracket off. And another project done. So this bracket's held on by, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 spot welds. What we're going to do, we're going to grind those off from the backside so that we don't damage the panel. You can see the spot welds here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 spot welds. So the trick here is to sacrifice a bracket and not go through the other panel. All right. A hammer. These two here need a little bit more. All right. Clean these up a little bit. All right, there you go. No damage. Very nice. All right. And that is your 70 only rear valance. Brackets are installed. I call that good.